Coming up, a stunning dish, a crab risotto. Risotto is a classic in Italian cuisine. There are three main types of rice: arborio, carnaroli, and violoni. Their ability to absorb liquid and flavor while releasing a lot of starch makes the risotto uniquely delicious. A tasty, creamy, and the best way to satisfy the hungry stomach. Hi, I'm Prasanna, a chef by profession, worked with some great chefs for past 16 years and learning the craft. Here in YouTube, I'm trying to share my experience, recipes, and knowledge with you. In this channel, you can expect how a proper restaurant dish can be cooked at your convenience at home. Please join me as I'm excited to share my story with my family to you. Please support and join the journey. Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to see how you're going to make a proper, easy crab risotto with very simple ingredients, whatever you can find at your home except the crab. For this I'm going to use risotto rice, which is Carnaroli, which this one I prefer because it stays longer in the same figure, actually meaning the same size, without mashing it. Then we'll have some Parmesan cheese, shallots, some garlic, and some mascarpone cheese or any kind of cream cheese which you like it. Then crab meat, obviously, that's our star. Here in this particular recipe I'm going to add a touch of tomato sauce, so it will give you some extra flavor, and a touch of lemon zest as well. So let's see how we're going to make it. So first I'm going to chop the shallots. So usually this risotto, it takes around like 18 minutes to cook. See, in restaurants what we do, we pre-cook the rice like halfway through. Then when the order comes and we just cook it for like 6 to 7 minutes, then we are good to go. I'll just show you how we can check whether the rice is being cooked. And obviously it's not going to be overcooked, it's Italian, so it's going to be a little bit al dente. And like, let's say, both finely chopped. But always make sure your vegetable stock, whatever stock which you're going to use, so it will slow the process of cooking. In a hot pan, add olive oil. Once it's hot, chop shallots and garlic in, together with the bay leaf. Once it's sauteed, add the rice in and make sure you sear the rice by sauteing it completely. Once the rice is sauteed enough, add the crab meat in. Saute it for a few seconds, then add the vegetable stock. It's very important to keep the stock heated ready on the side, because adding the cold stock while cooking the risotto will slow down the process of cooking. It's always advisable to use a wide pan while cooking the risotto, which will help avoid the rice breakdown. Now season the rice with salt and pepper. Now add the thyme to the rice. Always stir the rice gently and make sure you add the stock a ladle at a time. Now add the lemon zest to the rice, which will help to give the refreshing flavor to the risotto. Now tuck in the cherry tomatoes and the tomato puree to the risotto. How to check whether your rice is cooked enough? It's very simple. Take a piece of rice and press it. The inner part of the white rice should get thinner and thinner. Now add the chopped parsley and basil to the risotto. Add in the lemon juice, parmesan, butter and mascarpone to the risotto. Butter gives the risotto a nice glossy texture. Now you can remove the bay leaf out and finally add the olive oil to the risotto. Now the risotto is cooked, give the risotto a well-deserved minute rest by covering it with a clean cloth, which will help in avoiding the steam from escaping. In the meantime, prepare the garnish. In a hot pan, add oil, garlic and crab meat in, saute it well. Now add the seasoning and chop parsley.
Some pepper.
And finish it with the lemon zest.
Tiny bit of lemon juice. Just give it some nice texture to it.
So now it's done. So now I'm going to plate the risotto. So before that, I'm gonna add a little bit touch of olive oil, and now it's time for plating. There's always drop in the middle. Right. See. It's pure risotto goodness. Tap, tap, tap. And add your garnish, crab meat in the top. So finally, with some lemon zest. There you go. The best crab risotto in town you can find at the moment. Please try it, like, share and comment our videos, and for regular updates please click the bell icon and join the journey by supporting us. Thank you for watching Kitchen Secrets with me Prasanna. See you until next time and enjoy cooking the kitchen secrets. Right. See. It's pure risotto goodness.